Hello everyone. I open new YouTube channel and I need to design a new YouTube channel art or a channel banner. So let us start. Okay, now to create the new channel art, I will go to the website pixlr.com. This website, it's on any browser. You do not have to download or to buy any software. It's free website on Google or whatever browser you have. Okay. I will go to Pixlr E. I'll click here. And I'll go here and I'll click on Create New. Here as a default size, it's good size for a desktop page. But YouTube, it can be seen on smart TV, which is the screen, it's larger than this. So we need to put exactly the size as is required from YouTube. What YouTube size is? It's 2560 by 1440 pixel. Okay. We will see now exactly why I choose to put these numbers. Okay, I'll click here to create, and this is the area where we're going to start to design our banner. If you look carefully here, you will see it's only 37% it's visible for us. If I make it large up to 100%, it will be larger than that screen in front of me. I'm using a desktop. The reason for that, because as I said first, some people, they watch YouTube on smart TV, so the screen, it's bigger than the desktop screen. Okay, now I will bring something we call it template. It is a specific size for the channel. It's here. This one should be fit perfectly. Exactly, yes. As you can see, it's 2560 by 1440. This is a TV. It's exactly the size we have it here. Okay, let me explain to you what's this. This area, the light area with the dark, with everything here, this is for the smart TV. It's large screen. The one with the TV, they will see everything. Okay. The area from this side to this side only, without the top and the bottom section, it's here and here. It's for the desktop. The area between here and here, it's for tablets. Only this. Finally, the last area in the middle, the dark area, it's for mobile phone. Now we have 4 devices. We need to design our banner to fit this all 4 devices: smart TV, desktop, tablets, and mobile phone. Let me bring first something to put it in the top and the bottom area. Okay, I will go to layer. I will go to add image as a layer. I will go here and I'll choose this one. I need to resize this in order to fit in the area exactly I need it. So I will go here like this. I'll bring this one down here up to this and to the other side here. Okay, perfect. This is the top area. Okay, let me put it like this to see if it's the two lines, it's exactly on top of each other. No, it's not, as you can see. So I will go to again to resize this, and I will come, sorry, I need to go this way, and resize this one. Do you want to apply? Yes, bring it back a little bit smaller like this. Stop everything. Hello everyone. I open a new YouTube channel and I need to design a new banner for this channel. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, now for this I will open on Google Browse, I will open this pixler.com, this website. It's a website, it's open in any browser. You do not have to download any software or to buy any software. Okay. From here, I will go to Pixler E. And on Pixler E, I will go to Create New. As you can see, the website itself, it gives you the default size as you can see this one. This one, it's good for the desktop size. But YouTube, it's not just for desktop. YouTube, it can be watched on 4 different devices: mobile phone, tablets, desktop, and smart TV. Smart TV, it's a large TV, it's large screen. So for this size, it wouldn't be fit for the smart TV. YouTube give us specific numbers, the specific size for this, which it will have to be 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. I will click here, create, and this is the area where we will start work to create our banner. As you can see here, the size, it's only 37% of the actual size. Because if I make it 100%, look, oh, it will be very big. Because it's for smart TV. Okay? Now, I will bring something, we call it template. The template, it's already designed for this size here. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And let me explain exactly what's this. The area from top to bottom, from right to left, everything, this is for smart TV. It's large area. This, it's 2560, 1440, as you can see it here. Okay, this is for TV. The area from here to here, only in the middle, this one, without the top and the bottom section, it's for desktop. People with desktop computer will see only this. The area from here to here, it's for tablets. Finally, the dark area in the middle, it's for mobile phone. So now we have 4 different devices with 4 different sizes. We need to start to work to fill each area to fit exactly the same device. Okay. First, I will bring something for the top and the bottom sections. I will bring this image. I need to resize this first. I will go here. I will put this in the mid like this. And for this reason, I need to bring this one a little bit closer here, so I can see where is the image going to be. Okay, go back here and put this up, because these two lines has to be on top of each other exactly like this. Okay, then I will continue to resize the side like this. Here, bring this one to the end. Okay, now it's perfect. I will need to copy this for the bottom section, so I will come here to these three dots here, these three white dots. I will click here and then I will click duplicate layer. Double click here, take this one down like this, and for this one I need to change it like that, so it will be facing each other. Okay, perfect. This area and this area, it's visible only on smart TV. People with desktop, tablets and mobile phone, they will not see this. Okay, now let us start work in the middle section, which is the banner itself. I need first to bring something as a background. I will go here, add layer as a background. I will choose this one. I need to resize this also, so I will bring this up a little bit like this and down like this to the ends and to the other ends. And click yes. It look fine? Yes, it look fine. This blue area, it's visible for everybody. All devices will see this. Mobile phone, tablet, desktop, smart TV, everybody will see this. So this is the area where we're gonna put the banner. I will make it simple here, but of course you can do whatever you like. You can whatever you like, image, text, whatever. Okay. Now I will click on layer, add image as a layer. I will click on this sleeves. I will rotate it a little bit like this, make it smaller. A little bit smaller like this, and put it here. Okay. Now I need to put some text here. I will come here, I will click T, which is text, double click here anywhere, and I will say my channel. Okay. I will choose a color. For this I will choose yellow. I'll make it a little bit large, bigger like this. I will change the text font. By the way, in Pixel, as you can see, you have lots of different fonts to choose from. As you can see, it's a lot, and all it's wonderful, by the way. Okay, what about this? It's okay. Let me choose this one, but I need to make it a little bit bigger, like this. Okay, then I will go here in setting, and I will choose B as a bold. Then I will go here and I will choose outline. I will choose color as red. Let us see if it's good or not. Yes, 3, it's large. Make it 2. What do you think? It's fine. My channel. Okay. Now I want to show you something very important. I need to remove the background, this blue area, just for a few seconds, like this, to see where is everything. Exactly. Everything, it's inside the dark area. But I need to bring this one here. Let me put this away like this and bring the leaves here, this image. Oh, sorry. I clicked something wrong here. This one, I'll bring it here like this. And then I'll bring back the text like this. Okay. Now I know exactly everything. It's in the middle. It's in the dark area, so mobile phone will see this, tablets will see this, smart TV will see this, and mobile phone will see this. Okay, I'll bring back the background, and this is our banner. Okay, let me take all of this and put it on YouTube to see how it looks like. For this, I will save this one first. I will click save. I will save it as JPG. Okay, if I click here, look at the size, it's completely different. This one, it's big because it has transparent background. You remember when I put the size first, it was empty background. So it means this is 2 images on top of each other. That's why the size, the file size, it's large. But if I choose JPG, it's smaller size. Okay, and I will say here my new channel. Okay, and download. Now I will open YouTube channel and I will upload this image on the channel to see how it looks like. This is a channel. I will go to the channel art here. I will click here. I will select from the computer. I will go to, I think it's on download. Here, I'll click here. And I'll explain to you something here very important. As you can see, as I said to you first, this is TV. They will see everything. You see, it's TV. This is mobile phone. They will see only the middle section. This is tablets and desktop. They will see this. So different device with different size. Now you understand why we choose this size, okay? And I will click select. And this is the new banner. It look nice, it look fine. Everything it's in the middle, it's fine. I hope you like this video, you enjoy it, and you learn how to do it. If you have any question, ask, and I will do another video and another video, and I will explain to you everything. And if you like it, please, before you leave, subscribe to the channel, and I will continue to make more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.